Hello there, my name is Marella and welcome to my How to Do series. Today we're looking at plank. So make your way onto your hands and knees. Place your hands under your shoulders, your knees under your hips. Walk your knees back, one hand's pace. Turn your toes under, lift your knees off the floor and float your shoulders forward. Gaze out in front. Separate your fingers as wide as possible. Parallel your index fingers. Press the index band of the index finger into the floor. Float your shoulders over your wrists. Engage your core. Lift the backs of your knees up. Invite your heels to be vertical over your toes. Look out in front. To exit from the pose, lower your knees to the floor and sit back in your heels. And that's how you come into plank. If you like this video, give me a like, subscribe to me on YouTube. See you on the mat.